Well, this deal should be framed within the broader, let's say, support the European Union is giving to Rwanda. It's a partnership which is, moving forward. And when it comes to the support of, private sector, we really see Rwanda, let's say, in front line in terms of, let's say, the business environment. So improving, developing what we call the business ecosystem. So we see the potential, and the European Investment Bank, which is the financial arm of the European Union, has entered in partnership with very reliable and solid partners in the country.
What we want is that companies will be able to have long-term finance so that they can invest and create new jobs and maintain the current jobs that there are. It is our second loan to the Development Bank of Rwanda and our second loan to INM Rwanda. Therefore, we already provided loans in the past. They were used. They were allocated for small and medium-sized enterprises in a very satisfactory manner. So we thought they deserved to have a second loan, each one of them, in which we have increased the amount by 50%.
So the facility of 15 million euros is going to help us and support us in the journey that we have on mobilizing resources from different sources and investing them in the different sectors of the economy, specifically supporting small and medium enterprises. It's a good deal, I think, compared to other sources, including local sources. The cost of the fund is not as high as we could get it from the market. Yes, of course, we will need more than this, but possibly from different other sources. The one thing you don't want to do is relying on a single partner. So we try to diversify our sources as much as we can.
This is it's the second tranche that we've received. The first tranche we signed roughly 4 years ago. It's primarily focused on, as you heard this morning, growth in SMEs. It's part of the bank's strategy, which was we reformulated and had signed off on last year, which is to expand our SME business. We have a great penetration in the premium market in retail, and we've got an excellent presence in the corporate banking sector. We're hoping to extend this pan Rwanda. Everyone is welcome, and across the length and breadth of the country. And I think we've created a great partnership here between ourselves and the European Investment Bank, and it gives us a good platform for this market in terms of growth in the SME business. As we said, access to finance, job creation, etc. are all top of our agenda.
Well, creating a new market also, creating stability. Africa is, a few kilometers away from our continent.
Yes.
So we perceive this continent partnership as a clear interest for the European Union, for our business, for our stability. Migration is part of the equation. So I think that all the conditions are there, and also thanks to the leadership of President Kagame to push forward this continental agenda.